Quite excited about this. I've come down to Scolmore to have a look at the new Guardcam. It's an ESP product. It's a Guardcam Deco. And this is it. It's inside the box. So I haven't actually seen it yet. Let's crack it open and see what's in there. 1080p. So it's high definition, which is good. So, okay, first thing I see is it comes with a memory card, which is good. It's an 8 gig memory card. I'm assuming that is for recording video on it. You've got a little stubby aerial there and a screwdriver. Let's have a look at the actual thing itself. Hang on, how do you get it out? Right, it's well protected. Oh, I just dropped something. Okay, screws to attach it to something. What else have we got in here? So it's all pretty heavy. You know when you buy something and you see it online, it often happens where you buy something that feels really low quality. This doesn't. This feels nice and chunky. And when you're buying something, you want something decent. Okay, so this is the, this is something. I don't know what that is yet. Let's find out what that is in a minute. I haven't worked it out. I've been given no heads up on anything about this thing at all. Right, so actually, yeah, that feels, I mean, if you could hold that now, that feels like that's got to be like almost a kilogram. It's a decent, lovely build piece of steel, and it's obviously weatherproof. Okay, so you've got your aerial, which goes on the back of there. Let's build it. This thing, therefore, is something then that you would have, I think it's kind of like doorbell, you know, these sort of digital doorbells now with a video camera built into them, meets floodlight. So the idea of this is that you are protecting your van, your goods, your bikes, your cars or whatever. So you'd screw this on the side of your house or your place of work. It connects up to Wi-Fi, and then it has, by the looks of things, has the ability to record what it sees on there. But also, from what I can tell, I was reading the box a little bit, it actually can send the video to your phone, and therefore you can record it on there. So let's have a look. It says adjustable high-quality LED security lamp. Right, okay, so that's what it is. That is a lamp, and it chucks out, how much power is it? So how many lumens? So it's 3000K LED lamp, 800 lumens. So it's got a heavy-duty sort of floodlight output, which means it would light up your area. It would actively, instantly record. So if you actually have this thing on the side of your house, as soon as somebody walks past it, it'll not only light up, but that will therefore trigger a recording. So that, I'm assuming there, looks like the PIR. So it's a passive infrared sensor, which means I've seen movement, I'm going to start recording, and I'll light them up as well. So this thing not only does that, but I do believe you can actually, you can have it, yeah, two-way audio with inbuilt alarm option. That's interesting. So you can use it to actually pretty much have a conversation with somebody or to inform them, hello, I'm watching you from my bedroom, I'm recording you, I can see you through this thing here, and I know precisely what you're up to. So you've got two ways of recording, basically what an intruder or somebody is doing. Or, in effect, I'm assuming you could also use it just as a way of having a conversation with somebody who you might be meeting if you're selling them something or whatever it is. But that is the Guardcam Deco, and it looks like, and feels like, actually, an awesome piece of kit. Let's work out what this is. Right, so I've worked it out. I mean, what a genius. So there's a little 6-way plug there, and that goes into there like that. This is therefore your wall mounting here, and that says that way up, which means that goes on there and therefore screws on there. So that is your Guardcam Deco. And trust me when I say it, you know when you get a piece of kit and you want it to feel good? The amount of times I've been stung by rubbish off the internet, that feels good. And it does pretty much everything you want.